Easy dinner ideas. That's what it's all about. Quick, easy, and ready in under 30 minutes. On the table fast with easy dinner ideas, no planning, pulling things right out of your fridge that you could easily prepare and feed your family without running to a drive-through or running to the grocery store every time you can't figure out what to cook. And so I don't know if takeout is costing more than going to the grocery store, but in some instances, I'm thinking that takeout is higher than feeding your family at home. For one thing, you have leftovers. The second thing is, more than likely, you have ingredients that you could use to make additional meals. So in some instances, yes, grocery shopping is better than takeout. What gets me with takeout is the convenience. Sometimes I don't have one clue about what will I cook. And so what do? I go to the takeout. I go to the drive-thru, or I go inside a restaurant and I order takeout. And so that is busting the budget every week, going for convenience items. And so what you see me preparing here is a simple meal for dinner for our family of 4 right at home with things that I have in my kitchen. And so what I'm doing here is putting together what we call a BLT, a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. And I'm going to add cheese and pickles to some of those sandwiches because that's how they like to eat them. And so what's helping me get this dinner on the table fast is that the bacon is already cooked and was in my freezer. So this was not the pre-cooked bacon that you buy from the store in the box. This was bacon that was in my refrigerator that was already cooked. And so the only thing I have to do is heat it up a little bit and add it to these sandwiches. And so here I'm just adding mustard and mayo to my sandwiches. That's going to make it taste better. And then I'm going to add lettuce and tomato. And then, like I said, pickles will be added to about 4 of these sandwiches because some people like pickles. One of the things that I have found that helps to get these meals on the table fast is don't make it complicated. Don't overthink it. More than likely, the people in your home just want dinner. And so if you're overthinking it, trying to figure out how to make the best meal, how to make the most tasty meal, then it's gonna make you procrastinate. You're gonna spend a lot of time stressing and procrastinating about what to cook. Don't overthink it. Open your refrigerator, look at what you have, pull something out and put it together. And dinner doesn't have to be an entree and 2 sides, right? Dinner can be a sandwich, so don't stress, especially with the warmer season coming in. Dinner doesn't have to be heavy. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be fancy or gourmet every night. It can be something simple, like what you see me making here. I'm just adding lettuce to these buns. And then I'm going to add the tomato that I talked about. I'm going to put these sandwiches together, and that's it. I also have some strawberries that I just purchased from the store. I'm going to clean those strawberries. I'm going to serve strawberries with these sandwiches. And some of you may be saying, well, this is not going to fill my family up. We need more than a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Okay, and I understand that. Okay, so maybe that person gets 2 sandwiches as opposed to 1 sandwich. That person may get 2 slices of cheese on their sandwich as opposed to just 1. Something that helps to fill them up but doesn't make you work overtime trying to make an elaborate meal when you don't have a lot of time and you don't know what to cook. And so I'm going to add the strawberries to this, but I'm also going to add hash browns. Now, how easy is it to prepare a hash brown right in your oven, 8 to 10 minutes? You're just heating this up and adding it to the meals. You can find these hash browns in most of the freezer sections in your grocery stores. And you simply put them in the oven 8 to 10 minutes, maybe 350 or 400 degrees, I guess, depending on how crispy you want it to be. And then you just add that to your meal. And that's an easy side to add. Now, some of you may be saying, who wants a hash brown for dinner? Well, don't think about it like, okay, this is a breakfast item. You could also say the same thing for the bacon. This is a breakfast item. Well, yeah, generally we do see bacon at breakfast, but we also know that bacon is added to sandwiches, salads, some stews and soups. You add bacon for flavor to many ingredients, including casseroles. So don't limit yourself by thinking that, okay, I can't eat this for dinner. I have to eat this for breakfast. And so what I hope to show you in these videos is you can take the simplest things and turn them into what you want them to be. Don't worry about the rules or how it appears or what people think you should have. What you're trying to do is eat. That's it. And how can we get that done in the simplest form so that nobody's stressed out and that everybody has eaten? And so that's really the overall thing that I want to show here is that simple works. If it's a BLT tonight, that's fine. In one of my videos, I showed how you can make breakfast for dinner. Keep it as simple as possible when you don't know what to cook. Just cook something. This next easy dinner idea is a classic. It's chicken breast, rice, and a vegetable. You see this one all the time, but you haven't seen it like this. I'm going to prepare the breast in my cast iron skillet in the oven, and I'm going to add the vegetable mix to that skillet with a potato, and I'm also going to cook that in the oven. So what's going to be different about this chicken, vegetable, and rice meal is that it's all going to be cooked in the oven in 2 cast iron skillets. And so the flavor profile or the flavor on this is going to be so much better than just cooking it on the stove, throwing that vegetable mix in the microwave, and then cooking the rice or heating this rice in the microwave. Also, what you see here is I've seasoned that chicken breast with chili powder, salt, pepper, some lemon pepper, and also some Dijon mustard and some Italian seasoning. I really want to be able to taste the chicken, don't want it to be too bland. So I'm just searing that here, and I'm going to sear it on both sides, adding a little salt, and then I'm going to place that entire skillet in the oven. So here I'm just cutting a large yellow potato. I'm going to dice that up in big sizes here to sort of match the size of my California vegetable mix. And then I'm going to add all of this to my cast iron skillet. And so I'm just going to add those potatoes. I am going to season this with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some avocado oil, because I want this to crisp a little bit in the oven as it roasts. So here's my chicken breast, here's my vegetable mix, and as you can see, I had to remove some of that and add it to my other skillet because I don't want it to steam. I want it to be roasted, with a little bit of a crunch to it, a little bit of a bite to it. And here I'm just refilling my garlic powder container here. What you're going to see me do here is create enough for me to eat over the next 3 days and not have to worry about what am I going to eat for lunch. So not only am I going to have this for dinner, I also am going to have this for lunch for the next 2 or 3 days. This rice here that you see is a cilantro lime rice bag, and these are about $2.50 in the store, but it cooks or it heats up in about 90 seconds. So it's simple as it gets when you talk about quick, easy meals. I put it in the microwave, heated it up for 90 seconds. And so now what you see is that chicken breast is now finished. I'm slicing some of that up. I'm going to add that to my plate. And so I have the vegetables, the chicken, and the rice on my plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your easy dinner ideas in the comments below.